I wanted to show you, if you are going to wash your condenser on your own, some of the things to be aware of, and also basically what not to do and what to do. Very, very important. Hey, listen, I did a video, talked a little bit about what to do in a maintenance and talked about cleaning your condenser. And I got a lot of comments in that video. Some were funny and some were straight up inquisitive. So the most basic way you can wash condenser is water flow, light water flow. And the simplest way is you're just gonna get up and do this. Now, not how we do it, but if you're a homeowner, that may be what you wanna do. The other thing you wanna do is get from the inside. All right, light spray from the inside, and you just go all the way around and you wash it from the inside. This allows you to push the dirt out across the condenser. Now, if you're really aggressive, and the way you should do it, and the way we do it when we come out and do a maintenance, is we're gonna take these panels. So here's what's really important, is you can see what's in here. See all this stuff? It gets in here, all right, and it builds up along the top here. This can really cut down on your efficiency. So you can see we pulled this off. You can see a lot of the dirt in and around here and in this coil itself. So when you wash your condenser yourself, really important, light spray, okay? Just like this. Now when you get down in here, you wanna get all that dirt out, all the leaves. Just light spray. Just like that. Now, the other thing we do, and you should do too, if you're doing your own, is you want to take the top, the condenser fan motor off, the cover. When you take this off, you have a condenser fan motor inside here. So you want to take this off, just lay it aside. And then what you want to do is clean it from the inside. And just push it out. You see it? Just nice and easy. You got a lot of electrical in here, but it's built for the elements. Clean your fan blades. A little bit of dust buildup can really cause these things to become unbalanced. And that's essentially what you're gonna be doing. It's that simple. I mean, it's a little bit of work if you really wanna do it right, but it's definitely something you can do on your own. Now, here's what you don't wanna do. This is where problems happen. This. And you see how you see the color changing on the coil. What that actually is they're getting bent over. They're getting pushed together. So the homeowner, the weekend warrior, comes out and does this, thinking they're really cleaning their system well. You're actually causing the system efficiency to go way down. So you do not want to do that, all right? So you can see all of that you do not want. Now, a technician, if he comes across that in a home, he does have a comb that is designed specifically for fins, and we can straighten them out. But the idea is just don't bend them. So cleaning your condenser is not complicated, but if you're gonna do it right, it is a little bit more involved. But if you have a contractor doing it, an HVAC contractor, make sure they're doing it right, all right? This will really help the system run more efficiently, cool better, and when we're comfortable, we're much happier.